At first glance, it looks identical to a classic Soviet battle tank, but hidden deep inside its armored chassis is a suite of advanced North Atlantic Treaty Organization technology that completely transforms how it fights. This is the PT-91M Pendekar, the premier main battle tank of the Malaysian Army, and the only combat vehicle of its kind in Southeast Asia that fuses Eastern armor with Western sensors and mechanics. In April 2003, the Malaysian government signed a landmark contract valued at 370 million United States dollars with Polish defense contractor Bumer Labdi. The package covered 48 main battle tanks and 15 specialized engineering vehicles, creating the 11th Royal Armoured Regiment. The strategic reason Malaysia selected this platform came down to extreme tropical geography. While neighboring Singapore fielded the heavy Leopard 2A4 weighing over 60 metric tons, peninsular Malaysia required a platform that could navigate dense plantation, soils, and civilian bridges, rated strictly under Military Load Class 50. At a combat weight of 45.5 metric tons, the PT-91M exerts a ground pressure of just 0.94 kilograms per square centimeter. This low weight, combined with a power-to-weight ratio of 21.9 horsepower per metric ton, allowed the vehicle to operate across peat soil and narrow road networks that would completely trap heavier Western armor. Instead of choosing between Eastern agility and Western lethality, Malaysia ordered a hybrid machine designed to deliver the best of both worlds directly into tropical service. Before we go on, what is your take on combining Soviet chassis designs with Western electronic systems? And tell me where you are watching from. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you never miss our next defense breakdown. To turn this Soviet lineage hull into an advanced combat vehicle, engineers integrated three crucial Western systems that resolved the historical weaknesses of the platform. The first major transformation was the combat brain. Traditional T-72 systems relied on basic analog optics, with poor night fighting performance. The Malaysian vehicle completely replaced these with the French Sagem Savin 15 digital fire control system, alongside the VIG-15 panoramic commander sight, technology derived directly from the French Leclerc main battle tank. Featuring a stabilized dual-axis thermal imager and a precision laser rangefinder, this system enables full hunter-killer capabilities. The tank commander can independently acquire targets beyond 3,000 meters and hand them off to the gunner, allowing accurate target engagement in under 6 seconds while moving at 30 kilometers per hour. The second critical upgrade addressed mobility and survivability. Standard Eastern tanks suffered from a legacy mechanical transmission with a single reverse gear, limiting reverse speed to a sluggish 5 kilometers per hour. To fix this fatal flaw, the Pendekar received a German-Renk ESM 350M fully automatic transmission, paired with a Polish PZL Wola S1000R supercharged diesel engine, producing 1,000 horsepower. This dynamic power pack provides 8 forward and 4 reverse gears, boosting reverse speed up to 30 kilometers per hour. Drivers navigate using an electronic steering wheel rather than traditional mechanical levers. The third pillar focused on firepower and active defense. The vehicle mounts a Slovakian ZTS Special II A46 MS 125mm smoothbore gun, which delivers 23% tighter shot groupings at 2,000 meters compared to legacy barrels. Secondary armament includes a Belgian FN MAG 7.62mm machine gun and an American Browning M2 HB 12.7mm heavy machine gun. For protection, 394 Irawa explosive reactive armor blocks shield the hull, while the Polish Abra 3 laser warning receiver automatically triggers multi-spectral smoke grenades within 1.5 seconds of detecting an enemy laser designator. While this intricate engineering package delivered formidable tactical performance on paper, integrating high-performance Western components into a compact Eastern engine bay created severe operational challenges in tropical conditions. The 1,000 horsepower power pack and modern automatic transmission generate immense thermal output, operating under Malaysian ambient temperatures reaching 40 degrees Celsius and relative humidity levels exceeding 85%, push the engine cooling loops to their thermodynamic limits. This extreme environment caused accelerated wear on hydraulic seals and lubrication fluids, demanding rigorous maintenance cycles from armored corps personnel. The reality of these mechanical stresses became public during National Day rehearsal movements in Kuala Lumpur in August 2022, when engine overheating incidents highlighted the maintenance burden of this specialized fleet. Beyond climate constraints, geopolitical events thousands of miles away triggered a severe logistical crisis for the Malaysian fleet. Between 2022 and 2023, Poland transferred approximately 60 of its own PT-91 Tordai tanks to support Ukrainian armed forces. In response, the primary manufacturer Bumer-Leibde halted legacy production lines to focus all manufacturing capacity on emergency depot overhauls for active combat zones, while the Polish military transitioned entirely to modern South Korean K-2 Black Panther and American M1A2 Abrams platforms. This shift abruptly severed the secondary component supply chain for the Pendekar fleet. Malaysia found itself as the sole operator worldwide of this specific hybrid configuration. Critical electronics for the French Savin, 15 optronics and specialized components for the Slovakian cannon were no longer in serial production across Europe. Sourcing individual replacement parts became extraordinarily expensive and time-consuming, leaving maintenance depots struggling to sustain baseline operational availability without a direct original equipment manufacturer support pipeline. To resolve this critical logistical bottleneck and maintain strategic readiness, the Malaysian Ministry of Defense initiated a comprehensive service life extension program under the 13th Malaysia Plan, covering the 2026 to 2030 timeframe. Rather than relying on foreign original equipment manufacturers, the Army executed proof-of-concept trials to shift deep maintenance responsibilities directly to domestic industry partners. This initiative focuses on locally overhauling the German automatic transmission, reconditioning the 1,000 horsepower diesel engines, and digitizing obsolete electro-optical circuit boards from third-party European specialists. By establishing independent depot-level support within the country, military leadership aims to restore full fleet availability without being vulnerable to distant geopolitical disruptions. The operational journey of the Pendekar offers a profound lesson in global defense procurement. On one hand, it proved that integrating sophisticated Western electronics and precision mechanics into a lightweight Soviet hull can produce a highly capable fighting machine tailored perfectly to regional terrain constraints. On the other hand, relying on a deeply fragmented supply chain across 5 different nations, creates immense long-term vulnerabilities when international supply networks suddenly pivot to active wartime production. A weapon system is only as powerful as the logistical chain that keeps it supplied with spare parts. As Southeast Asian neighbors continue investing in heavy armor platforms like the Russian T-90 or Chinese VT-4, the ultimate fate of this hybrid armor fleet rests on domestic technical self-reliance. Do you believe building highly customized hybrid combat vehicles is an effective procurement strategy for mid-tier defense forces? Or does the long-term logistical risk always outweigh the immediate tactical advantages? Share your perspective in the comments section below.